Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. In this video, I will be explaining how I replaced my leaky drain pipe. So this water was coming out so much from the bottom of the sink. You heard it, and look how much water is actually coming out. At first, it was just wrapped with a ton of flex tape from the top here all the way down to the bottom. I thought the leak was only coming from right here, but once I moved my pedestal sink base, I was able to see it. Now that I'm able to see all the lines, I am going to begin with turning the water off. Okay, now I can put a towel down, and these are so easy to take off by hand. You just have to twist them a little bit and they come free pretty easily. Alright, now that that's out the way, I'm going to be removing the washer and the nut, as well as the previous toggle, which is used to open and close the drain. Alright, so now I'm going to be removing the drain, and as you see, my hands as well as Steven's, we had to interchange and use force because this was a little bit tougher. But once you get it out, you're able to remove both the nut and the washer that is used to create the seal so that there's no leaks. Here I'm using some needle nose pliers just to remove that washer. Now to clean this up, what I noticed from the old stopper was that there was a ton of dirt there. So that's probably what caused the drain to no longer have that tight seal. So now I'm going to be explaining how you put together the new drain before I put it together. Here I'm placing the stopper inside the drain. What you want to do is line the holes up so that you see it. Then you take the toggle and you put it inside the hole. The toggle has two clips on the sides, which you want to make sure go inside. It also has a washer that is there to create that seal. You push it through, and there you have it. Now that it is all assembled, there is another piece. This piece slides onto the stem of the toggle, and it allows for the drain to go up and down when you apply pressure. Now to put it on. So to ensure what happened to the previous drain does not occur here, I'm not only going to be hand tightening this up, I will be also using my adjustable wrench to make sure that that washer sits perfectly inside that hole. Now I'm going to be installing the toggle as well as the other attachment so I'm able to manipulate the drain and it can go up and down. If you don't have that, you still want to attach it so that it can flow out. Here I'm going to attach the new drain to the old pipe. I have with me the washer as well as the new nut, and I'm going to just slide those on and then just hand tighten it down onto the old pipe. It's not anything that you're going to need a wrench for, but if you'd like for extra security, you may do so. Now I can turn the water back on. And there you have it. Nice flow. And no leaks. The toggle is working good as a plunger. So there's no leaks there. And everything is nice and tight. Now I can just slide my pedestal sink base back and everything's back to normal. Thanks for watching.